Let's say for some odd reason your climate control unit's gone bad. While we're here, let me show you guys how to remove the climate control unit out of the car too. This is a digital one. I don't think they make any. Maybe the base one has one that's manual. This is all digital, which is cool. So you don't have to worry about the wires going in the back. It's all right here. Unplug this guy here, and unplug that guy here. That's it. Maybe the face is all scratched and you have OCD and you want to replace the buttons, or you spilled a bunch of coffee and your buttons are screwed. Very easy way to replace it. We do sell these. You have to watch the video, taking apart a lot of it. You don't have to take the stereo off to get to this, just the faceplate around the surround. But that's how this guy comes out. Going back in, same thing, plug, put your 2 screws in, just go back together, no problem. That's it really.